Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today will be coffee with me and I will be chatting away about Zara fragrances. Stay in this video only if you like Zara fragrances, because recently I talk only about them and nothing else, just because they surprise me so much. Today I want to speak about one fragrance, and basically I did this Zara Zara purchase recently with a few fragrances, and today I will do unboxing. Pink Flambe is the fragrance, so I'm gonna take it from this box and we will have a look very quick. Basically, recently, guys, if you are interested, I was talking about Zara Mimosa Cloud. I didn't like it at the beginning and I start to like it right now with some doubt as well, so I'm trying to discover that fragrance. We talked recently as well about Fields at Nightfall, which is a dupe for Zadig and Voltaire. Zadig and Voltaire, this is her. Also, I recently made a video about Black Amber, so watch out for that video. Today's video will be about Pink Flambe. So Pink Flambe, this is something quite unknown to me, you know, this fragrance. Yesterday, one lady that commented, she wrote that it's a dupe, and thank you very much basically for letting me know that it's a dupe for Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy. So guys, Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy, this is the dupe. I have never tried this fragrance before, you know, that fragrance, Juicy Couture from Viva La Juicy. So I don't know, I think I only remember the shape of that fragrance, which kind of looked like very fancy there, you know. So for me, that name sounded kind of a bit like a would be sugary and vanilla type of scent, the same like this fragrance. I'm pretty sure once I open it, it's gonna be my first impressions, and I'm pretty sure will be some kind of like a sweetness type of fragrance, you know. So Zara Pink Flambe Eau de Toilette, not Eau de Perfume. So it's Eau de Toilette, and we're gonna have a look. We will open it, but before that I want to tell that actually in the morning my scent of the day was Zara Mimosa Cloud, and I was still trying to understand this fragrance. I really like it right now. So don't be afraid, guys, to buy it, although it's a purchase that is slightly would be, how to say, is not everybody, you know, I think might like this fragrance. Actually, I think I heard one comment from one person today, and I'm not sure was it directed to this fragrance that I was wearing, that something was smelling like a burning and I didn't ask, you know, could that be my fragrance? I didn't ask, but I suspected that maybe the person smelled my fragrance and perhaps, you know, it gave out as a burning smell, you know. So I'm not sure. I didn't ask, you know. I didn't want to hear bad news about this fragrance too. But actually, to be honest, myself, I start to like this fragrance. So, and there are people who commented me that also likes this fragrance, I'm pretty sure, you know. But it's not sure if it's super safe blind buy, but I would repurchase it again, to be honest. But I'm still trying to experiment. But today, guys, we are talking about no other than basically Pink Flambe. If you guys are interested about all of the other fragrances, you can have a look at my previous videos there, because I post almost every day, guys, so you can find perhaps fragrance that you're looking for, just to see the opinion of that. And today is Pink Flambe, so dupe for Viva La Juicy from Juicy Couture, you know. Okay, so the poetry time. So what it says is Pink Flambe, lightly fruity, heavily juicy, definitely pleasing. That's the poetry of this fragrance. It also says notes of mandarin orange, melon, and praline. So praline is in this fragrance as well. So that means I wasn't familiar with that note, but I started to be familiar only while wearing this fragrance, and it took me a while to get used to it, but I'm loving it right now. So if praline is in this fragrance, that means probably I will like it so much, you know. The price is $5.95, so I'm expecting expecting this fragrance to be kind of, what I am expecting. My expectations would be flowery, but sweetness, some kind of feminine sweetness. That's what I am expecting from the look of it, from what I heard, and also I'm expecting something that perhaps I might like. I don't know, guys. But recently my expectations were completely damaged by few fragrances, and I had to learn throughout the wearing experience to love it, the things that I have never smelled before. So that's what happened to me with this fragrance, Field at Nightfall and Mimosa Cloud. I'm loving them right now, but guys, I'm just like living and learning, so really. And this time we have, so basically we have Pink Flambe. I'm gonna open it right now and we're gonna see, you know, what's gonna happen, you know. If my first impressions will not be what you guys expect, like for an example, if while trying suddenly I will not like it, please don't get disappointed and don't say that, you know, that let's say this is wrong or anything. It's just simply everybody has different sense of smell and everybody perceives the smell differently, and also the taste is different. So guys, like you know, my nose is not your nose, so and your nose is not my nose, so we all perceive it differently. So perhaps it takes time for everybody to get used to the sense of new smells, you know, that exist in the world. So Pink Flambe. So I'm gonna drink coffee and I'm gonna spray it right now. I am like hoping I will like it. I really want all of the fragrances that I open would be wonderful, you know, as all of us. So there is no sense over here. Nobody sprayed it over here yet. So Pink Flambe. Okay, ready, guys? So okay, so okay, so let's see. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so it's eau de toilette, so the alcohol is kind of hitting my throat, but I can already sense, you know, the floweriness kind of in a way, and flowery type of sweetness, you know. I have a feeling as well that I might need some time to understand this fragrance as well, and it's actually light. This fragrance is light, you know, as it says, lightly fruity, so basically that's how I feel. It's lightly fruity, it's pleasant. It's actually quite easy to understand from the beginning, you know, when you spray it, and just the alcohol is getting in your nose, so that's why probably. It's lightly fruity and how to say, it's quite, you know, for if you don't like heavy fragrances, you know, so this one might do. It's not difficult to understand this fragrance. What I want to do is to wait a little bit and see what type of projection it has, you know. Maybe within time it will start projecting, you know, something. So that's what I'm waiting for. For the moment, it doesn't seem to be like a fragrance that is difficult to understand. It's kind of light and easy fragrance, you know. Nothing too special, but it's pleasant. I think it's perfect for summer, in my opinion, you know. It's either for summer or for any type of season. And what else could I say? For the moment, it doesn't seem to be like anything that would be super exciting, but I like this fragrance. But in order to tell me, would I purchase this fragrance in the future, I need some time. I need to understand, am I gonna feel this fragrance, you know, within time? Am I gonna like feel, how to say, like some waves of the fragrance coming through and through, you know? So for the moment, I don't know yet. So, and also the alcohol just completely, how to say, hit at my nose right now. So I don't know. For the moment, I feel just that lightly fruitiness, as it says, heavily juicy. I don't know. the juiciness, I don't know, melon and praline. I'm not familiar with praline, no, that much yet, but I cannot say much from the first impressions. Like, it seems to be like easygoing fragrance that you can, you know, that you can kind of spray and bathe yourself. It's not gonna be heavy, you know. It doesn't seem to be as well that type of fragrance that will reward you with a lot of projection too, but I will go in my day right now and I will experience that. So maybe perhaps so let's say perhaps wait for another video, guys, okay? And I cannot say yet, oh yeah, you know, I'm loving this fragrance. I like this fragrance, you know, but I really like also some surprises, you know. Perhaps it's gonna inspire me, this fragrance, you know, some days. For the moment, I don't have experience wearing it, so it's a good fragrance, but let me see, okay, let me see. It doesn't excite me like super much. So for that occasion, I will give myself some time and I will come back to you next time, guys. So see you soon and have a great day. Guys, enjoy your day, you know, take some time, drink coffee, you know, spray some fragrance. Perhaps if you spray fragrance that, let's say, you didn't like in the morning, then layer it with some kind of other one that will make your day better, you know. So my fragrances of today were Mimosa Cloud. Was in the morning. I was feeling it until from 9 o'clock until 1 o'clock. I was feeling it, so it's pretty good, you know, longevity, I would say. And right now I will end my day with this one, so hopefully it's gonna surprise me in some way. So wait, guys, for my secondary impression. So I will come back to you, and subscribe to my channel if you are also perfume lovers, you know. Like, even if you are not perfume lovers, perhaps you know, you might get some interest in these videos as well. So I will come back to you in any ways, and have a great day, everybody.